It's a Sunday morning and we're starting the week right. Magja-jogging muna tayo ngayon going to MacArthur Park. Samahan niyo ako. So magja-jogging tayo from my place going to MacArthur Park. This is like 1 kilometer away from my place. Parang gusto ko ditong i-try kumain mamaya. Ito na yung boundary ng Tacloban City to Palo. So, we're now entering Palo, Leyte. We have reached the DPWH office of Leyte, here in Palo still. The JNF here, it's a pure gold branch here in Palo. Ito yung, you can say a landmark na malapit ka na sa MacArthur Park. Ito yung crossing or your intersection going to the MacArthur Park, and we are going to turn left to get there. Here you can see meron na mga restaurants, may Chowking, Jollibee, Andox, tapos may McDonald's din doon banda. Ito yung road going to Maharlika. Ito yung another way going to downtown area of Tacloban City, and then if you go straight there, that goes to the Palo downtown area. So ito ngayon yung pupuntahan natin, MacArthur Park. We are going to turn left here all the way hanggang dulo. This is now the road that goes to the MacArthur Park. Nandito yung BIR. Mostly mga government offices yung nandito. Tapos doon banda makikita natin dito yung DepEd. Tapat lang ng BIR, nandito yung DOST office. DOST Regional Office 8, Region 8. Here. Dito naman yung Commission on Audit. And then in front of it is the Civil Service Commission. Ayan. Konti na lang mararating na natin yung MacArthur Park. So nandito na tayo sa may malaking parang circle to. Circumferential road na pwede kang umikot-ikot to go jogging. Maraming tao dito. So they are also jogging. So i-try lang natin, ikot tayo dito sa circle na to see kung anong meron dito. So yan yung kalsada. Tapos may space dito dedicated for people na nagja-jogging. So yan, puno. Yung mga tanim dito na halaman or mga bagong puno. So it's really ideal for exercising. Sige, ikot muna tayo. If I go straight, then yung papunta yung second half ng circle, yung other half ng circle, pero hindi na ako pumunta doon kasi medyo mainit na. Diretso na lang ako dito sa MacArthur Park. I probably will try to do one round ng circle next time pag maaga-aga ako nakaalis para hindi masyadong mainit yung araw. But for now, let's go to MacArthur Park. Dito tayo galing. And this is our route going to MacArthur Park. Let's go. Ito na yung DepEd office of Leyte. And we're almost there sa MacArthur Park. Almost there. We're finally here at MacArthur Landing Memorial National Park. Punta tayo dun banda para makita natin yung tabing dagat. Maganda ring bumisita dito sa gabi kasi may pailaw yung fountain nila. We are here. Medyo mataas na yung araw. Pero okay lang. We need vitamin D. So, quick trivia. The Leyte Landing Memorial Park is a protected area, and it commemorates the historic landing of General Douglas MacArthur in Leyte Gulf at the start of the campaign to recapture and liberate the Philippines from Japanese occupation on October 20th, 1944. Alright, so there's an airplane. It's about to land. Dun banda yung Tacloban Airport. Tambay muna ako dito sa ilalim ng puno. Cooling down bago tayo umuwi. So, yan. Ito yung paligid ng MacArthur Park. So, pause muna tayo. We already jogged for almost 61 minutes or an hour. And we covered 4.12 kilometers. So there's a mini stage here. Let's check it out. I'm gonna park ng motor dito. Okay. So I've been sitting here for 10 minutes and sobrang quiet dito. Pwede mag-alone time. Wala lang, share ko lang kung anong itsura dito sa mini stage. Wow, meron pala mga nagsiswimming dito. Meron dito small beach. Amazing.
And by the way, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video. Please also subscribe so you can follow along with my journey. Please also turn on that notification bell so you can get notified on my new videos. Thank you.
We are on our way back to Marasbaras. Pauwi na tayo, tapos na tayo mag-jogging at saka medyo mataas-taas na yung araw. Time check, it's almost oras na ba? It's almost 8 AM. So ayan, kaya kailangan natin makauwi para hindi tayo abutan ng sobrang init na araw.
Since it's past 8 AM, daan muna ako dito sa Carinderia to get breakfast.
We just got home. Total jogging hours, it's 2 hours and 9 minutes. And we walked a total distance of 7.94 kilometers.